Hi everyone and welcome back to Elizabeth Collections YouTube channel. For this video, I am going to share with you my third bag from Hazel Luxury. And it is this beautiful Hermes Kelly 25 gold on gold. I am going to share with you the unboxing, what fits, more information about it, the details, and my thoughts about this bag. Without further ado, let's get started. Here's the box. It's sent from Hazel Luxury's factory and then drop shipped to Germany, and then now I received it in Sweden for just within 1 week. It's super fast shipping. The package is secured in a box and then taped all over, so even though it is raining or whatnot, then it will not damage the package inside. So well packed as usual. Here is the orange box. I'm so excited to see the bag inside. The dust bag. And lastly, we have the strap right here. Now let's talk about what fits inside this beautiful Hermes Kelly 25. Normally when I do the what fits inside my bag, I have items around it and I am putting things inside. But this time, let's do a change of things. I am going to show you what is already inside the bag. So I have been testing the bag and using the bag, and I am going to show you what fits and the things that I carry. And also I'm going to show you some things that you might be interested on knowing if it fits inside the bag, like the usuals, like for example a continental wallet and stuff like that. So let's open this one, and then inside are the things that I used on a daily so far for the week. And here is a lot of things. First of all, something that's on the top will be this one, my Samsung Galaxy Buds. So my buds right there, earphones, Bluetooth earphones. Then, of course, I have my Samsung Z Flip. It's a fold phone. I love fold phones, but I'm also filming with the iPhone. I usually always film with the iPhone, and that is my daily driver, the Samsung. And then other things that I have in here. Speaking of electronics, of course, I gotta have my power bank, which is housed in this beautiful 𝑒𝑗ewelry long lipstick pouch, and it's my Anchor power bank right here that can power my earphones because this is USB-C, so it powers my Samsung phone also and my iPhone. Of course, beauty stuff in here, and these are the ones that I carry for the week. My perfume for the week will be this Versace Bright Crystals, and it is a beautiful, very limited edition travel size. I've been loving it so far. This is my full size, and of course, nobody wants to carry 100 ml, but yeah, I'm glad that I have this smaller one. So all of my beauty items are also here on this 𝑒𝑗ewelry square pouch for cosmetics and small things. I, of course, have a lipstick, and my favorite is this Guerlain Rouge G. I have so many of the lipstick cases. The beauty of it is that it has two-way mirror. Freaking awesome. And also, the quality of the lipstick is just so fabulous, so unreal, very luxurious. And I really love the formulation of the Guerlain Rouge G lipstick. To match the color of the bag, I have this one also. I have chosen it, and it's so nice. And then, of course, my favorite, Gucci multi-use palette in Submarina Brown. And you have seen this in so many of my videos. I need a backup for sure. I always still keep this one because there is a cream product in here and I don't want the powders to go to the cream. That's why I keep this one. And yeah, beautiful eyeshadows, and then a cream eyes, cheeks, and lip product right there. Just so perfect. Although I use that mostly for cheeks, and then I use my lipstick, of course. And it has a mirror also, so that's perfect. And yeah, there's the 𝒮𝑍𝑚oNI logo right there. I have a full video of the 𝒮𝑍𝑚oNI bag inserts and add-ons here on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check it out. And then lastly, what I have in here is my planner. I am very organized, a very type A person, and this is one of my ultimate favorites. This is my 𝒮𝓭 Pocket Balmoral in Italian leather. One of the most beautiful planners, organizers that 𝒮𝓭 have made. They don't create it anymore. And I have a mini one and a personal size also in red. So yeah, this is just so amazing. I have my favorite pen here, which is a 𝒾𝑔𝑽 pen in gold. And then here are my cards, and of course my national ID card. And then it serves as a wallet already, so you can put some cash in there. We do not normally use cash here in Sweden, but sometimes when I have sold something, they pay me with cash. So there you go. And yeah, those are the items that fits inside in here, because these are the things that I bring on a daily. Maybe you're wondering if a full-size continental wallet fits, and here is one. And of course, this one would fit, not a problem, but it may be taking up so much space inside the bag. So perhaps we can go ahead and see how it looks. So if we put this one inside, then it goes like this. There will be a struggle to put it also. Okay. All right, there you go. It fits. And yeah, it will be in the middle depending on, of course, the size of your wallet. But yeah, so there's still a little bit of room in there for your other things. Then maybe you're wondering if like a bigger iPhone, the Pro Max Ultras, will fit. And yes, that will fit, not a problem. It could be right there. If you use a foldable wallet instead, like this one, this size, then yes, that would fit together with your phone inside the bag, and then you will have more space right there, as you see. An iPad mini also would fit inside, and it would look like so. And that's it for this portion of what's in my bag and what fits inside this beautiful Hermes Kelly 25. Now to my final thoughts. Since this is the third bag sent to me by Hazel of HazelLuxury.com, I can attest that the quality of the bags are so impeccable. I love how the sturdy materials are up to par with the more expensive version of this one from the flagship stores. So if you like this bag and you do not want to spend thousands of dollars for it, then I highly recommend that you go ahead and check out HazelLuxury.com. They have a lot of bags in there from Hermes, different bags. They have different Kellys, so many colors of Hermes Kelly, different sizes. They also have Birkin and so much more. Other brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Fendi, and most of the popular and luxury brands could be found there at a very affordable price. If you like this bag, or if you find another bag that you like from HazelLuxury.com, you can have 5% discount by using my code EC888. It will also be listed on the description bar. And as for my conclusion for this beautiful Hermes Kelly 25 gold on gold in Epsom leather, I could say that it is quite a sturdy bag and it is very stunning. But due to its sturdiness, you cannot overpack it. You cannot put so many things on it as compared to the previous bag that I have reviewed, which is an Hermes Birkin 25 Return in gold hardware. You can still wear this bag dress up or dress down and it will still look so stunning, classy, and fabulous. And the good thing about getting a mirror copy like this one, a replica or a dupe, is that you do not have to spend crazy amount of your hard-earned money to get the look that you wanted. And if you like this kind of structured bag, then you can go ahead and buy the bag in the color that you like, the size that you like, and the leather that you prefer. And in the future, if you wanted to have the authentic bag, then you already know which specific bag you like. I will be creating a separate video comparing the Hermes Birkin 25 return to this Hermes Kelly 25 in Epsom leather, so you know which bag is best for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's continue the conversation on the comment section down below. Check out all of my other videos here. I have a lot of reviews for this type of bags, bougie on a budget, looking chic and fabulous without spending too much. Special thanks to Hazel of Hazel Luxury for your continued trust and partnership with me. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you on my next video.